Tournament of Champions was held in Greece. Most elite operators from around the world came together to test themselves and push each other past their limits. Surrounded by supporters, peers and rivals alike, they came to fight. They came to win. And after rounds of grueling competition, only 2 teams remained. Culminating in a thrilling finale absolutely no one could have predicted.
Oh, so is this going to be on the Fernsehen? The television?
Internally is only.
Gustave Kateb, GIGN, National Gendarmerie Intervention Group.
G'day.
Do I look at you in the camera?
Mike Baker, Special Air Service.
Seamus Calden, Sanitation.
I suppose the crowd surprised me the most. I was not expecting the sheer power of it.
Operators prepare for the final round. Defenders to the mat.
Tell me what 30 seconds means.
30 seconds means 30 seconds in and out. You're going hard and fast. No hesitation.
It means being fully committed.
Operators, this is match point. Attackers, prepare for insertion. Just as we do in the field, no one wins alone. 3 defenders remaining.
Come to the front fight! Another shape!
I should have seen it coming. I should have seen it coming.
2 defenders remaining. Defender remaining. I can get him next time.
There is no next time, Silko. There was now, and we fucked it up.
You need to relax.
It must have been upsetting.
No one remembers who comes in second.
3 attackers remaining.
Going to the bomb site.
Copy that. Watch your 6. Pulse is on a tear, and it's going.
Mike?
2 attackers remaining.
Put down that gun.
Jack?
You me?
Sorry, baby.
Attackers win.
do it over.
There is always next year.
Really? Next year?
Absolutely. I will be here.